First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. Our today's video is about scrap metal art welding project for beginners, and we are going to tell you how to start a scrap metal art welding project for you as a beginner. Scrap metal art welding is a fascinating way to create unique and eye-catching artworks. It is a perfect hobby for those who create anything with their hand and want to explore the world of welding. While it may seem daunting to start with the right tools, materials, and the kindness, even a beginner can create a stunning piece of scrap metal art. In this video, we'll discuss how to get started with scrap metal art welding project as a beginner. First up is starting scrap metal art welding project is to gather all the necessary materials and the tools. Here are the essential touch to your garden. Start with simple shapes like flower, butterflies, bird, then move on more intricate design. Metal art can be a beautiful addition to any room. You can create abstract design, animals, and even portraits using scrap metal, using different color of paint to add depth and texture to your art. You can create unique functional pieces of furniture using metal. A coffee table or side table with a metal base can be great conversation starter. You can also make chairs or benches using metal frame and the wooden seats. Metal sculptures can be challenging to create, but they are also the most rewarding. You can create abstract design or sculpture of animals, people, objects. Start with the simple shapes and gradually build up to more complex designs. Here are some tips for beginner.